Hi guys. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to build a full e-commerce website. This is going to be an end-to-end tutorial. So you will be able to build a complete e-commerce website using WordPress. It This website is going to have um, a checkout page. It's going to have a cart page. So a user would be able to view products that they are shopping for, like here, and they would also be able to, check out and also pay for their products. So you don't want to miss this. This tutorial is the only tutorial you're going to need if you are learning WordPress and if you're interested in being a web designer. So this tutorial is going to cover everything from buying and hosting a WordPress website to designing a full WordPress e-commerce website for any customer, any business at all. So let's get right into it.